I don't know about you, but every time I went to visit family, I always heard a comment about my body. If I gain weight, if I lose weight, if something didn't look right, if my face looked different, if my makeup was different, it seemed like anytime anybody saw me, my body was always a topic for conversation. I don't know if it's because we're Hispanic or what, but it seems that many of us have faced that. And there is a big disconnect that is happening as we are hearing comments from other people about our body. So today we're going to talk about 3 challenges with people commenting on our body and 3 shifts that we can start applying today. The first struggle is that anybody can have an opinion on your body, and not just how your body looks, but what you are doing. So for example, if you decide to go vegetarian or vegan, people tell you, how are you going to get your protein? What if you start becoming deficient on certain vitamins or minerals? Or if they see you eating fruit, they start commenting fruit has too much sugar. So it's like no matter what we do, we're always hearing a comment. And most of the time, these comments are not positive, are about things we can continue to improve, things we can be changing. And that just gets confusing, and you start wondering if you can trust yourself. And eventually, you start wondering if you even know what is good for yourself. Number 2 is this pressure to fix something that was never really broken. We're constantly being sold a better body, better skin, how to look slimmer, how to look younger. And even when we're doing a lot of things and working on ourselves, it's like we have this little voice whispering, it's still not good enough. There is still more that you can do. And you start seeing your body as something that you have to constantly improve instead of seeing it as sacred. Number 3 is disconnecting from your own wisdom. With all this noise about what people are saying, it's easy to lose trust in ourselves. You start wondering if you're eating enough, if you're eating too much. You overthink every bite, and you learn to ignore your hunger cues and what your body is asking you for. And all of this creates that lack of trust in your own body. So here are 3 healing shifts. Number 1, your body is not up for debate. So anytime you hear someone saying something about your body, it is okay to set a boundary, to be assertive, and to have that uncomfortable conversation. I appreciate what you're saying, but I don't agree with that. Or please don't talk about my body. We can talk about these other things. So you don't have to keep listening to people creating this discomfort and this disconnect with your own body. Number 2 is food is not the enemy, and neither is your body. So food is this love, connection, nourishment. So see it as that. Remember that you don't owe anybody an explanation, and you don't need their permission. You don't need to let them know. You have to choose what is best for you and your body. Pick what's going to really nourish you and nurture your body in the right ways. And you don't have to punish yourself. You don't have to create restriction or punishment to be well and to create healing and love yourself. Number 3 is the more you listen to your body, the less confused you're going to feel. It is about understanding your body, because we create peace when you stop this war with our bodies and what we eat. You already have this wisdom inside of you. So listen to it. You are constantly healing, and your body is this amazing, knowledgeable, self-healing wonder. So see it as that. Learn to listen to it, or ask, what is it that I need right now? What is it that my body is asking me for right now? And truly listen, and not from a place of doubt or lack or wanting to punish yourself, but truly having this deep emotional connection with your body and trusting it no matter what other people say. The more you tune in, the less validation you're going to need, because peace begins with choosing yourself again. We are healing, we are building this deep emotional connection with ourselves. Trust your body, trust your instincts, and trust that what matters is continuing to build this relationship with yourself and your body. If this video resonated with you, join me and subscribe.